want my freedom and my 40 acres and my mules. Because I'm free within myself, they gon' upset some fools. I'm always coming from my heart because I set them rules. It's all natural like I am, they get my point of views. I see the life for what it is, it's just a puppet school. Most of these niggas shuck and jive at what they told to do. They gotta bring somebody down to bring them up too. My life is ruthless, it ain't easy like you thought I blew. It's way harder than it look like it's easy to do. But I can tell you how I barely even made it through. The world is cold and I was in it with the bird flu. I'm hard-headed cause I'm free to do what I wanna do. I was born a free man, I feel my soul too. I feel the change approaching quicker like it's supposed to. Ain't about to quit, come on, done stop doing what they supposed to. Cause when I look back at my life, it meet its goal too. Cause that free, I want my free.